All right, guys, so today I'll be cleaning out the transmission solenoids for a 1991 Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has two solenoids. We have one here, we have the other one over here. These are kind of expensive, so what I'm trying to do is just clean them out, make sure that they stay working, because my car transmission started slipping and showing me symptoms that have to do with solenoids. So I don't know which one it is, but right now what I'm doing is testing it with the battery. I have a little strip of wire for the positive. I'll put this right here just to clamp it onto this car that I'm working on. I use a little clamp to get it inside of here. Here's my solenoid. Right, so you grab it like this. You see both these pins. To test them out, both of these get a positive terminal. You're gonna test them out one by one. So we have the positive of the battery, goes up here and there, connected, right? Now there's no grounding, but here's how you ground it. You ground it like this, you just touch it. You hear that click? That means it's working. And when you do, this is on you just grab this clamp. Yeah, you just put it on the other one, and then you touch the body again. Oh, I got shocked. Anyways, that's how it goes. Then you do the same thing with the other one. Right? And then I have the greaser, which I put in there. And then I have some compressed air, which I blow through the little holes right here. So this one and this one right here, they go through each other. So you go through one solenoid, and then this one and this one, they're a passage through each other for another solenoid. You're gonna find the exact same thing over here. You see that water right here? I'm letting the some degreaser go into it. Then I'm gonna blow it out, make sure it's all clean. So first you do it while it's closed. You don't need to connect anything to the harness. You just blow through the holes, put something in there, make sure that the screens you take off are being cleaned. Okay, so you can put them on there back clean, but as for now, before connecting it, you just blow through those holes, you know, get some dirt out of there, use a rag just to catch the drips. And then after that, you're gonna want to clean it and put cleaner pressure air through it while it's while the valve is open. So you're gonna connect it like I said before in the beginning and leave it connected. You're gonna hear the click, it's just gonna stay, right? Constant power means that it's gonna stay open, and then you're able to throw water, I mean not water, but any kind of fluid that you're cleaning with and compress air, and you'll see it come out of the other one. As long as you see it come out the other one, that means you're good. If you don't see it coming out the other one, there might be something wrong. All right, guys, and then you just put it back in your car, and they're both completely different. All right, so I did the test, and I found out that this one, if I shoot air into here, it'll gladly come out of here, but if I do it on here, on this side, air through here, it does not show any bubbles. If I put there some liquid, you won't see it come out through. The same way, if I blow air through here and put some liquid here, you do not see it go through. So that means that there's somehow, this part right here is missing. I mean, it's not missing, it's failing. So I might just have to get a whole new one, but at least now I know that this is messing up my transmission. Okay, so I had found out that this side of my solenoid, right here, was not opening, it was stuck closed. So then I Googled it and I saw that you can tap it a couple times and it'll dislodge. So now I put some liquid on it, I put some air through it. I can't record the process because I only have two hands and no stand. But yeah, it was successful after tapping it a couple times with this or with just about anything that's metal. The solenoid is working again. So I can put the solenoid back in the car, try it out and see if my car works. I'll show you guys the results.